Nothing upsets a cowboy more than a bent landscape stable. That's why I switched to these 6-inch landscape staples. They make life a breeze. These are made from a tough 11-gauge steel, which is thicker than what you'd find from your local hardware store. Thanks, Sandbaggy. Woo! Our 6-inch staples are way stronger than those lazy 4-inch staples, and they stay in the ground, even on a super windy day. Now that's some strong wind. You can use these things for installing all kinds of landscape fabrics: erosion control matting, bird netting, artificial turf, plastic netting, and even my outdoor decorations. Other cowboys even use this to secure their drip irrigation tubes and PVC pipes up to 1 inch in diameter. They have sharp, chiseled, pointed ends, making them super easy to dig into the ground, so you can spend your time doing other things, like learning to lasso. These 11-gauge staples come in 2 styles. Woo! If you plan on reusing them, get the galvanized version, which is just a fancy way of saying they're rust resistant. If you plan on installing them once and leaving them alone, use the non-galvanized option. Believe it or not, when your staple has some rust on it, it helps it stay in the ground better. We recommend separating each staple 2 to 4 feet and using a rubber mallet for easy installation. These are so easy to install, you could do it blindfolded. We carry a variety of landscaping staples from 6 to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils, and we carry over 1 million in stock at all times. That's what makes us the #1 best-selling brand of landscaping staples on the internet. Sandbaggy is an American Christian-run company based in California, trusted by farmers, landscapers, homeowners, and government agencies across this great country, America.